How to upload a Spotlight on Snapchat? To upload a Spotlight on Snapchat, it is quite easy and simple. Just watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date and then open the Snapchat application on your device. Log into your Snapchat applications and then select the bottom right corner Spotlight icon. So here you will see different people uploading their spotlight. In this way you can also upload your spotlights on a Snapchat. So select the plus button at the top right corner of the screen and here you will be given the two options to upload a video from your camera roll or memories, or you can also make a new snap by tapping on create button. So let's select the create button and then you can easily add or take a from here or take a snap as well. So once you have done that, you can select the preview and see the preview as well. Furthermore, you can also customize this snap video, or else let's select preview button and see the preview. Once you have done or seen the preview, you can select send to button. Or now here you need to add more clip to reach the 5-second minimum. So your spotlight should be 5-second minimum. So let's select the plus button again and then add another video here. So once you have done that, let's select the preview again and then select the send to button. Once you have done that, you need to tick mark the spotlight at the top right corner. If it is off, then you need to select it and then add a description or topic or tag or location to post to SnapNam or to get more views. Once you have selected it, if you want to share anonymously, you can select the button or else you can toggle off. If you wish to show a spotlight on public profile, you can toggle it on, and if you allow remixing or if you wish to allow remixing, you need to toggle on the button and then tap on the arrow button at the bottom right corner of the screen and your spotlight has been sending. Wait until that and the spotlight has already been uploaded on Snapchat. So that's how we do it.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.